Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 of linear equations in one variable. Question said, solve the following equations. So equation number 1 is given here. You can see in equation both sides given variable. So we transpose the variable one side and a constant another side and solve these equations. Let's see how to solve it. Here you can see this is equation number 1. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So first we transposing x by 3 to left hand side. We write variable one side and constant another side. Okay. So first we transposing x by 3 to left hand side. Okay. So it's become x by 2 minus x by 3 minus 1 by 5 is equal to, you have 1 by 4 in right hand side. Clear? Now we transposing 1 by 5 to right hand side. So in left hand side we have obtained only x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Clear? Okay. So here LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 divide 6 in 3 times, so 3x minus here 3 2 is 6, 2x is equal to LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay. So we 5 1 is 5 plus 4 1 is 4. Clear? So here you can see 3x minus 2x by 6. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x by 6. Okay, here this is a 5 plus 4 9 by 20. Okay, so now we transposing this 6 to right hand side. So we obtain x is equal to 9 by 20 into 6. Okay, so x is equal to 9 6 is 54 by 20. Now simplify it, so it's become divide numerator and denominator by 2, so it will obtain 27 by 10. Okay, so value of x is equal to, you can write 2 whole 7 by 10. Okay, this is your solution. whole solution. Now we are going to solve next question, question number 2. Now question number 2. Question number 2 है n by 2 minus 3n by 4 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 23 is equal to 21. Okay, this is our question number 2. n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So okay, so you can see in this equation variable one side and constant other side. Okay, so first we take LCM 2, 4 and 6 and solve it. After this we transpose variable constant right hand side and we get the value of n. Okay, in this way we solve the equation question number 2. Now the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. So we take LCM directly we take LCM. Okay, so this is 12. Okay, okay, this is 12. 2 divides 12 in how many times? 6 times. Okay, so 2 6 is 12, so you write here 6n. Okay, minus 4 divides 12 how many times? 3 times, so 3 into 3, 3 is 9, it's become 9n. Plus 6 divides 12 2 times, so 5 2 is 10. Clear? Is equal to 21. Okay, so here this is positive, 6 plus and 10 plus. Okay, it becomes 16. Okay, so it's become 16n minus 9n by 12 is equal to 21. Clear? Now, so 16 minus 9 is equal to what? 16n minus 9n. You can see this is both are like term. So we subtract only coefficient of variable. So here variable is n and coefficient is 16 and 9. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Clear? Now we transfer to right hand side. Here you can see 12 divides 7n, so we transfer this to right hand side. Okay, so we transposing 12 to right hand side, so it multiply by 21. So 21 into 12. Okay, now here you can see n is multiplied by n, so we transfer 7 in right hand side, so we obtain n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7, because 7 is in left side it is multiply, and when it is go right side it is divide. Okay, so n is equal to, you can see 7 3 ja 21, so here we have 3 into 12. Okay, and n is equal to 12 3 ja 36. Clear? 12 3 ja 36. I hope all of you understood. This is a question number 2 is given n by 2 minus 3 4 n by 4 plus 5 n by 6 is equal to 21. So first we take LCM 2 4 and 6. So LCM of 2 4 and 6 is 12, and then we write it as 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equal to 21. So 6n and 10 are both are positive, so we sum it. 6n plus 10n is 16n and minus 9n. So 16n minus 9n becomes 7n. So we obtain 7n by 12 is equal to 21. So now we transposing 12 to right hand side. So we obtain 7n is equal to 21 into 12. Okay, clear? And after this we transpose 7 to right hand side. So we obtain 21 n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7. So 7 divide 21 in 3 times. So we obtain n is equal to 3 into 12, or value of n is 36. If you find, check your result that your solution n is equal to 36 is right or wrong. So put the value of n in given equation. Okay, and if left hand side is equal to right hand side, then this is value of n is right. If left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it means that our solution is wrong. Also we are going to check that we find that n is equal to 36 is right solution or wrong solution. Okay, so first you can see here we write check left hand side. This is the left hand side. Okay, and that is the right hand side. So left hand side is equal to n by 2 minus 3 by 4n plus 5 n by 6. So now we are going to put the value of n. The value of n is 36. Okay, and solve this. Look here. So we put here value of n. This is a 36 by 2 minus 3 into 36 by 4 and plus 5 into 36 by 6. Clear? So 36 by 2 is 80 minus, if you divide 36 by 4 we obtain 9. So here 3 into 9 plus, if you divide 36 by 6 we obtain 6. So we obtain here 5 into 6. Now 18 minus, it's become 27 and plus, and this become 5 6 is 30. Okay, now also this is plus. First we submit 18 plus 30 is equal to what? 48 minus 27. Okay, so here 48 minus 27 is 20. Okay, so you can see we solve the left hand side and reach to right hand side. This is right hand side. Okay, so you can see here we solve left hand side and there is right hand side. It means that our solution n is equal to 36 is right. Okay, so now we are going to solve question number 3. Now question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. So question number 3 is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3, 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2 by 2. This is our question number 3. Okay, so you can see in these equations variable are in both sides. Okay, so first we transposing variable one side and the constant another side. Okay, this is x minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2. These are variables so we transposing all variable in left hand side. Okay, so and constant is right hand side. So this is constant, it transpose this 7 is right hand side and this minus 5x by 2 to left hand side. Okay, so x minus 8x by 3 and you transpose this, so it's become plus 5x by 2 is equal to 17 by 6 and we transposing 7 to right hand side, so it's become minus, so minus 7. Okay, you can write x by 1. Okay, so you can take in left hand side, denominator is 1, 3 and denominator is 2, so LCM of 1, 2 and 3 are 6. Okay, so LCM of 1, 2, 3 are 6. Sorry, not 16, this is 6. Okay, clear? So if you divide 6 by 1, we obtain 6 times, so here we obtain 6x minus, if you divide 6 by 3, we obtain 2, so 8 2 is 16, 16x plus 2 divide 6 in 3 times, so 5 3 is 15 x is equal to, you can write here 7 by 1, so LCM is also 6, so 17 minus 6 7 is 42. Clear? Now this is plus, this is 6x and this 15, both are positive, so we sum it, so 15x plus 6x will become 21x minus 16x by 6 is equal to, now here 17 minus 42, so it's become minus 25 by 6. Okay, you could cancel this 6 and this 6, no problem. 21x minus 16x is equal to 5x is equal to minus 25. Okay, so x is equal to what? Minus 25. Here you can see in left hand side x is multiplied by x. So if you transfer this 5 is multiplied by x, or x is multiplied by 5, so we transfer this 5 to right hand side, so it divides minus 25. In this way we obtain x is equal to minus 5. Okay, this is clear. Now you can check your result. Put the value minus 5 in left hand side, also in right hand side. If left hand side and right side are equal, then you can say our result, our solution x is equal to minus 5 is right. So we are going to check our solution. Now we are going to check our result. The solution of x is equal to minus 5 is right or wrong. Okay, so first let write left hand side. So left hand side is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. So this is a left hand side, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3. So now we put the value of x. So the value of x is minus 5 plus 7 minus 8 into minus 5 by 3. Okay, so you can see here minus 5 plus 7, it's become 2 plus 2. It's become plus 2. Okay, and here this is case of multiplication, minus minus, it's become plus. Okay, and 8 5 is 40. Clear? By 3. So LCM of, you can write here 1. Okay, so it's become 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 40 by 3. This is LCM, and now this become 46 by 3. This is our left hand side. Now we are going to check right hand side. And what is the right hand side? 17 by 6 minus 5 x by 2. Okay, so let we check here our right hand side. So right hand side is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Clear? So value of x is here, you can see we solve minus x is equal to minus 5. So this is 17 by 6 minus 5 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to 17 by 6. In the case of multiplication, minus into minus, it's become plus. Plus 5 into 5, 25 by 2, and here LCM of both is 6 and 2 is 6. So this is 17. Okay, and plus 2 divides 6 is divided by 2 in 3 times. So 55 to just 25. 75. Okay. So it's become 92 by 6. Okay. If you cancel it by 2, we obtain 46 by 3. Okay. We obtain 46. Our right hand side is 46 by 3, and our left hand side is also 46 by 3. You can see here. Okay. And right hand side is also 46 by 3. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So you can say our solution x is equal to -5 is right. Now we are going to solve question number 4. This is a question number 4. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Okay. So first we multiply it by this by 5 and this by 3. Here you can see. Look here like this. If a by b is equal to c by d, this is cross multiplication. A multiplied by d and c multiplied by b. So we obtain a into b d. Sorry, this is d. This is d. A into d is equal to b into c. Okay. A by b is equal to c by d. So cross multiply a into d is equal to b into c. Okay. So we use here cross multiplication. Okay. So by cross multiplication we obtained 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. ठीक है. So 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5 25 is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus, it's become minus 3 into 3 9. Okay. So we use variable separable, means variable one side and constant on the other side. So 5x and 3x we write left hand side, and 25 and 9 we write right hand side. Okay. So 5x we transposing 3x in left hand side, so we obtain 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. You can say here 25 is minus in left hand side. When we transposing it to right hand side, it will become positive, plus 25. Okay. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25 is equal to 16. Okay. Clear? Now 2x x is equal to 16 by 2. Yeah, x is equal to x is equal to 8. Now we find x is equal to 8. This is our solution. Now we are going to check the x is equal to 8 is right or wrong. So first we take left hand side and put the value of x, and after this we take right hand side and put x is equal to 8. If the value of left hand side and right hand side both are equal, then you can say our solution is right. So here, this is left hand side, x minus 5 by 3, the value of x is 8, and this is right hand side, x minus 3 by 5. Okay, so first we solve left hand side. Okay, so here what is the value of x? 8. So 8 minus 5 by 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Okay, now in right hand side, the value of x is 8 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So you can see left hand side and right hand side both are 1. Okay, so our solution is right. Our solution next is equal to 8 is right. Okay, thank you for watching.